Okay, so this is a quick introduction on Ant Planet, uh, going over basically the basics of how to get power and strength quick, as well as some things you may or may not know starting. So for power, you want to focus on your troop buildings, obviously, to increase your troop tier, increase the power in your attacks, and obviously increase your building power. You want to focus on your evolution building, which is your evolve fungus. I obviously have skipped quite a few things and am going back as we speak doing that. The special ant as well helps build power. You get all of the ant's power built on tiers, as well as it helps with your march attack power. You want to upgrade your rally centers, which are these. They increase your march capacity for each march. The March 1, March 2, and the Pro Rally Center, which is the Pro March. You want to focus on this queen as well, so you can increase all the other buildings, because they cannot pass her level. Once you reach a certain queen level, you'll unlock the class feature, and each class has its own unique perks and abilities. The herder class, it can send resources to each player, and it has a 50% honeydew output, as well as 30% reduced troop cost and a 5% better pricing on the Ladybug. But it has some drawbacks as well, with the 100% plundered resources when being attacked, so they plunder all of it, like no protecting, and you have a minus 50% heal. For the Raider class, you can plunder Honeydew with the March, the Pro March, and you have a few benefits as well with that. You have 150% loadout or load troop capacity when invading, 40% dead return when invading, and 100% heal speed. But you have a negative 30% resource output, which includes Honeydew, and a negative 50% gathering load. For the Cultivator, you have the processing, which can instantly get resources from your production facilities. You have a certain amount of resources that are protected when you're being attacked. Your gathering speed is increased by 50%, and your troop load when gathering is doubled. But the drawbacks to that are you have negative 30% troop attack when invading, you have negative 30% troop defense when invading, and your ant troop marching speed is negative 30%. So there's some drawbacks to each class, and there's some positive things. The last thing I'm going to cover is Honeydew, because that is a hard resource to get in the game. There are tasks you do in game to get this, which are, each task you get additional tasks for every queen level. You can go to the Ladybug and trade, and you want to upgrade your aphids, which are these creatures here, because they do your output for your Honeydew. So yeah, as you can see, I got the output, and that's kind of the basic introduction you need to start building all of your troops and building your power up for the beginning.